Welcome to the Novice Builder, where every expert was once a novice.
In this video, we'll go over the most important first step of installing Tyvek HomeWrap, planning and measuring. Careful preparation ensures your house wrap will go on smoothly, overlap correctly, and provide long-lasting weather protection for your home. I've also uploaded a full time-lapse of my Tyvek installation on my YouTube channel, The Novice Builder. I put the link down in the description below, or you can head over to my channel, The Novice Builder. Before we start taking measurements, the very first step in planning is making sure we have the right tools and materials on hand. Without them, even the most accurate plan won't go very far. So let's start by going through the tools and materials needed for installing Tyvek wrap. Tools you'll need: cap hammer, utility knife or scissors, measuring tape, and ladder or pump jack for the second floor. Materials you'll need: Tyvek HomeWrap rolls, 9 feet by 150 feet, the main barrier that blocks air and water while letting moisture vapor escape. Tyvek tape, used to seal overlaps, seams, and joints for a tight, weatherproof seal. Cap nails or cap staples, fasteners with plastic caps that hold the wrap securely and prevent tearing. And flashing tape, applied around windows, doors, and penetrations to seal edges and prevent water intrusion. Before starting, safety first. Wear your protective gear, check your tools, and clear the workspace. Step 1. Planning the layout. Start by looking at the wall sections you'll be wrapping. Tyvek should always be installed horizontally, beginning at the top of the wall just above the roof line and working downward. Plan for at least a 6-inch overlap on horizontal seams. At corners, wrap the material around by at least 6 inches to create a continuous barrier. Step 2. Preparing for cutting. Before cutting your material, review the layout of your space and identify any features like windows, doors, or corners that may require special attention. Planning ahead will make the cutting process smoother and help ensure each section fits properly once installed. Step 3. Cutting sections to size. Once measured, roll out the Tyvek wrap on a clean surface and cut each section slightly longer than your measurement. This makes installation easier and ensures full coverage. Always keep the printed Tyvek logo facing outward. It's designed to be installed that way for maximum performance. Step 4. Double checking the installation. After all the walls are covered with Tyvek, walk around the entire house and double check the installation. Make sure the wrap is smooth, overlaps are sealed properly, and no sections are loose or exposed. Taking time to inspect now ensures long-lasting weather protection. This video was all about planning and measuring, an important first step to ensure your Tyvek house wrap is installed correctly and provides the protection it's designed for. In the next video, part 2, we'll move into the detailed step-by-step process of attaching the wrap to the walls. Be sure to check out the links in the description below to watch my complete Tyvek installation playlist or subscribe to my channel, The Novice Builder. Your support really helps me keep creating more helpful and engaging videos for you. And don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your questions, tips, or suggestions. Thank you for watching.
Make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out my upcoming project and videos.